Hello friends, how are you? I hope so all are good and all things are also going good and well. So yes, today we will start with the body movement in birds. Okay, so birds have the ability to fly and walk. Both have the both ability they have. They can fly also and they can walk also. This is walk, not walk. This is walk. Yes, they can fly also and they can walk also. But some are swim in water also. But some birds can swim in water also, and these examples are duck and swan. Okay, birds may fly and walk, but sometime and some birds may be swim like duck and swan. Okay, so their body is well suited for fly. Why birds can fly? Because their body well suited for fly. Because their body well suited for fly. Bones are hollow and light. The bones of birds are very hollow. Hollow, what is hollow? If we do something like this and there is a sound inside the object that means that object is hollow and light in the weight. So bones of birds are hollow, that means inside there is nothing strong there in the bones of the birds. So bones of birds are hollow and light. Bones of birds are hollow and light. Hind limbs are typically for walking and perching. These are the type of limbs which are present in the birds. These are the limbs which are present in the birds. Hind limbs are typically for walking and perching. Clear? Okay. Till up to here, is there any doubt? Birds can fly and walk. They can swim also. Sometimes they can swim also. Body well suited for fly. Why birds fly? Because body of birds well suited for fly. Bones of birds are hollow and light in weight. That's why they are able to fly. Hind limbs are typically for walking and perching. Clear? These limbs, remember the name of these limbs. These limbs are only made for walking and perching. The bony part of forelimbs are modified as wings. What are the wings of the birds? The bony part of the forelimbs. That means that the bony, that means small part of the forelimbs which are the further. Forelimbs come at the first. Forelimbs are modified as wings. Clear? Shoulder bones are stronger. Shoulder bones are strong. That means the shoulder bone of birds are strong. They are not hollow. Shoulder bones of birds are strong. They are not hollow. Breast bones are modified to hold muscles of flight. That means the breast bones of the birds are modified to hold the flight. Muscles of flight. That means the muscles which are helping flying the birds, they are holding by the breast bones. And that muscles are used to move the wings upside and the downside. These are the sign of the upside and the downside. I am using these signs because you have to remember the shortcut in science also, because you will not able to write each and everything in the full form when you are revising something. That's why I am able to learn you the shortcut of the science. Yes, that means the breastbone are modified to hold muscles of flight. Muscles of flight that are used to move the wings upside and the downside. Clear? Again I am repeating the birds. If my speed is high, then please tell me. I will slow my speed. But I think so. Fifth day I am taking the video of this chapter. So slowly I am going. That's why you have to clear each and every concept of this chapter. This is very interesting and very important chapter. So please read this chapter carefully. Birds can fly and walk, can swim also, some like duck and swan. Body well suited for fly, and bones are hollow and light, but shoulder bones are strong. And the bony part of the forelimb modified as wings, and the hind limbs are used as the walking. That means there are two type of limbs. Forelimb is used as wings, and hind limbs are used as walking. Clear? And that breast bones are modified to hold the wings in the upside direction and the downside direction. These are the 4 to 5 main important points of the birds. Clear to all of you? Is there any doubt? No? Shall we start next? Yes, so next topic is fish. Do you have ever seen any fish while swimming? If you ever see, then you will have noted that there is a jerk in the swimming. Firstly, fish will move like this, then this, then this, then this. That means first side, opposite side, front side, opposite side. These are the, these are the sides. Firstly, fish move like this, then like this, then like this, then like this. And this will help in the forward movement of the fish. Okay, now I am explaining. Head and tail shorter. The fish have the shorter head and shorter tail as compared to middle portion of the fish. That means head and tail shorter. Head and tail of the fish are shorter and the middle portion of the fish is bigger. Body taper at both hands. That means body taper at the both hands, and that shape is known as streamlined. That shape is known as streamlined. That shape is known as streamlined, and due to this streamlined shape, water can easily flow through the body of the fish, and it will help in easy in swimming. And it will help in easy in swimming. And they have the strong muscles. Fish have the strong muscles and have very vitamins and calcium and omega-3, all things they have in it. So yes, due to streamlined shape, fish can easily swim. Water can flow easily from their body. They have strong muscles. And firstly, how the fish move. I am writing the short points of the notes. I am explaining this thing. Please don't copy this thing as well. You have to make the short note from this. Copy this main important parts. I am writing the main words of the chapter. So you have to write this and you will learn this and you will remember whole topic. Okay. Front part, curve one side. That means the front part of the fish. Like this is the fish. This is the front part. First let move like this. Second will like move this. This and this. So it is moving in forward direction. That's the same way of the fish movement. First this, then this, this and this. And this is the same as the fish movement. It will first part curve one side, tail part opposite side, form a jerk. And this is known as jerk. And this thing is known as a jerk. And that's why it is help in swimming ahead. That's this jerk will help in the swimming ahead. And fins are also there on the fish. There are fins also present on the body of the fish. They help in the balancing and giving the direction in the swimming. They help in the balancing in swimming and giving the direction in the swimming. So this is the shortest topic of the fish. It is very important topic. Very important points are there. I am not missing anything. But I will make the topics very short so that you have make interest and learn easily. Because 6th class students are so small. They have to learn so many things. So that's why I have made the short note for students so that they will learn easily from our channel. Okay. Is there any doubt in this? Fish, head and tail shorter, middle part bigger, body taper at both hands, the shape known as streamline. Water can easily flow due to the streamline. Strong muscles fish have. Front part curve one side, tail part the opposite side, and that's why they form a jerk. And this jerk will help in swimming ahead. And they also have the fins. These fins help in balancing and directions. Clear? Clear to all of you? Yes. Yes, these are the main important topic of this chapter, main important points of this chapter, and then our chapter is finished. So tomorrow we will discuss the exercise. Bones will always work in alternate manner. Firstly, they will contract and then relaxation. Two sets of muscles. If there are two sets of muscles, they never same time contract and they never same time relax. If one is relaxation, then other should be on contraction. Clear? Bones always work in alternate. If one is contract, then other should be relaxation. If there are two sets of muscles, they never do the same thing at the same time. Bone joint. Bone joint will depend on the nature of the bone and direction of the move. Bone joint will depend on the nature of the bone and direction of the move. Okay. Strong muscles and light bones will able to fly in birds. Will able to fly system in birds. Strong muscles and light bones will able to fly in birds. Clear? And snake slither on ground by loop sideways. All of you see how snake move. So this is the last point. Snake slither on ground by loop sideways. So clear? These are the main important 2 to 3 points of this chapter. Yes, today our chapter is finished. So you have to revise this chapter, and tomorrow we will discuss the exercise of this chapter. Please learn this chapter clearly, because tomorrow I will ask answer from you. I will not give any answer of the questions. You have to revise this chapter. Okay? For today, this is enough. Our chapter is finished. Thank you.